Want to know how to name or rename your tracks in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step method on how to do so. So let's get right into it. So first up, launch Audacity and I'll just import any track that I like. Now here, to name your track or rename it, just simply click on this three button right here. Once you run it, on the first option there is an option called rename track. I just click on it and here you go. You can just rename it anything. So let's say I'll just name it vocals, and that's it. On the left side you can see vocals in it. So if you want to name your tracks while exporting though, just go to file, go to export audio, go to export to your computer, and then here you can see file name. You can name it whatever you like. Let's say vocal test, right? And you can just simply export it to your folder, tweak the settings, and that's it. It's as easy as that. So I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.